Okay, now mobile network.
Yes, sir.
Now it is mobile network or Wi-Fi.
Yes, sir. Wi-Fi, sir.
Okay,
Mobile
so
data use করতাম but আমার ফোন তো স্যার
in our
বাজে ক্লাস
yeah,
1
in our last class we did till here. Okay, I think you already watched the recording, right? Hello.
স্যার
We
আমার ওয়ার্ক পাওয়ার এনার্জি ইয়াটা শেষ স্যার
work power energy theory part also finished.
মানে স্যার ওয়ার্ক পাওয়ার এনার্জি যথেষ্ট ইয়াটা পেয়েছি স্যার আমি এখন
Notes,
বাকিগুলো আমার বাকি আছে বাকি
notes.
স্যার
Now we are doing forces, density, pressure. I am talking about forces, density, pressure. Till here we are done in last class. So we are continuing here, right? You write density and
yes sir
pressure, huh? The heading. This is topic 5, forces, density, pressure.
স্যার লাস্ট ক্লাসে আপনারা কি ইয়া করেছেন টপিক 6 করেছেন
Topic 6 we didn't do, we did only topic 5 and we did dynamics. The rest of the questions left in structured part.
yes sir
Okay,
yes sir
we are done and you were supposed to watch the recordings. Didn't you watch?
স্যার কাজ করে নাই তো স্যার
Okay, watch the recordings and collect the notes. Okay, complete
জি
dynamics.
স্যার ওটা তো সমস্যা নেই স্যার আমি কয়েক ইয়াতে ঘন্টা দিয়ে শেষ করতে পারবো
Okay, so
কিন্তু
here we have the link between density and pressure. You write topic 5, forces, density, pressure, then you write this, the link between density and pressure.
okay sir
We got one formula in O level, that is P equals H rho G. Okay, this one. Can you remember? That is
yes sir
liquid pressure. How to calculate the liquid pressure? So if you want, you can write this or you just understand, then uh, later you check. Okay.
জি স্যার
Okay, so how this formula is coming, I'm explaining. You see, for a liquid column we are taking a little sample of a liquid column where the height or the depth of the liquid column is h and a is the base area of that column. Okay, so using these two information, we are going forward. We know everything. There is mass, liquid molecules, they have also mass, and if they have mass they have also weight. So weight is mg, right? Isn't it?
yes sir
And if you rearrange like the relationship of mass, volume and density, if you rearrange it, it comes m equals rho v, density times volume, right? And here volume
yes
is
sir
the volume of the liquid column, that is ah. You know, area multiplied by height is the volume, right? Isn't it?
yes sir
So volume we can replace with ah is coming, the mass is coming rho ah. We just replace it here, rho ah multiplied by g.
yes
Then
sir
you can write also in your copy, you can write also,
yes
you
sir
can
লিখছি
just, yeah, you just draw this diagram. What is a, what is h, to understand that you write, you draw it. Then you have W by
ডায়াগ্রামটা দেখতে দেওয়া যাবে?
sure.
জি জি।
Take the diagram, please. Done.
জি স্যার। Yes sir, diagram now.
Okay, then W by A, we can rearrange this. That is coming F by A. W weight is one kind of force, so we can write F by A. So F by A is here P. P equals rho GH. So you understood how it comes?
Yes sir, force by area of shell of pressure. And
Hmm.
then yes sir.
So you are done, right?
না স্যার, উপরের আর একটু বাকি আছে স্যার।
Do it.
Yeah, yes sir, done.
Now from this equation, from this relationship, we got three findings or three outcomes. Number one is the pressure is proportional to the depth of the liquid. For a
Yes
certain
sir.
liquid, the density is same, gravitational gravitational field strength is same. So the pressure varies with height or
Yes
depth.
sir.
So write this point, bullet point. Then second point is if there is an external pressure like atmospheric pressure acts on the surface of the liquid, this pressure should also be added. This pressure should also be added to get the total pressure. Total pressure, or we say absolute pressure. So absolute pressure equals liquid pressure plus external pressure.
Yes sir.
Are you done with writing these 3 points?
No sir, লিখে নিচ্ছি স্যার।
You can write only 2 points, first one and third one. The second one is the explanation of the third one.
Okay sir. Yes sir, done.
Now this is very important thing, what you possibly did not get numerically before. Just you know what is upthrust, but how does it work numerically, you don't know that. So upthrust is the lift force from the fluid. Fluid means it can be liquid, it can be gas. Okay.
স্যার একটা জিনিসের প্রপোজাল দিতে পারি স্যার?
What?
একটা জিনিসের প্রপোজাল দিতে পারি স্যার, আর কি
What?
পড়াশোনা রিলেটেড। জি
What?
স্যার আপনি
No problem.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
So upthrust হচ্ছে কি একটা lift force, that can be
জি
coming from water or from air. Okay, so it's coming from fluid. Now look, here we have how upthrust is working. That one we are going to find now. You see, we have labeled here some of the things. The length. This is length of the liquid column. Okay,
ইয়েস স্যার।
and this one is the height above the liquid column, and H2 is the height from the above the liquid column till to the bottom of the liquid column.
ইয়েস
So
স্যার।
there is one force working downwards, and there is one force working upwards, that is F up and F down, right? So here we have some points. The pressure in a liquid increases with depth. This one we know already. Thus, the pressure at the bottom of the cylinder is greater than the pressure at the top of the cylinder. So this information we got. Now the difference between F up and F down is the upthrust or buoyancy force. Upthrust is also known as buoyancy force,
বুয়ান্সি ফোর্স।
and it is
স্যার
labeled as
আপথ্রাস্টটা বেসিক্যালি কি, এই যে পানির থেকে যে উপরে যে ফোর্সটা যাচ্ছে
yes,
ওইটা
yes,
আপথ্রাস্ট।
yes, that one upthrust. পানি থেকে এয়ার থেকে যখন আকাশে এরোপ্লেন যায় তো তখনও কিন্তু আপথ্রাস্ট কাজ করে। বার্ডস
জি।
যে ফ্লাই করে, তারা যে ফ্লাই করে সেখানেও কি আপথ্রাস্ট কাজ করে।
এটা কি স্যার ইজ দিস ওয়ান টাইপ অফ রেজিস্ট্যান্স?
Yeah, you can say that, like there is one side, one sort of resistance that's uh, that's lifting the object. Okay, that is, you can say, lift force, or upthrust, or there is another name, buoyancy force. So here we have FB, buoyancy force, and F up minus F down. Okay, buoyancy force. Then we have the relationship. You see, F up, how can we get it? Rho G H2A. Where is H2? This one. How we are applying this formula? The working is here given. You see, we know P equals rho GH, right? Just now we got the relationship, and we can also write F by A. So pressure can be written in two ways. One is rho GH, another one is F by A. So F can be written as rho GHA.
Yes, sir.
Then we have this one, subtracted rho GH1A. We can take common rho GA, then H2 minus H1. H2 minus H1 is the length or the height of the liquid column. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then we have rho GAL. AL is the volume of the liquid over there in that column. So buoyancy
Yes, sir.
force is the rho GV, where V is the volume. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do you want to write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Please write it. Are you done, Sufyan?
No, sir. আরেকটু বাকি, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, done. So you see there are 2 points, very important points. Yeah, can you read these 2 points?
Yes, sir. The upthrust is simply the weight of the liquid displaced by the immersed object. So we got the relation for a cylinder, but it will also apply to objects of any shape. Point two, the rule that the upthrust acting on a body immersed in a fluid is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced is known as uh, Archimedes' principle.
Archimedes. Have you heard this name, Archimedes principle?
No, sir.
You know something about this person, Eureka?
No, sir.
So
Who is
you can write these 2 points, huh? Done, Sophia?
no, sir.
Shesh.
Last two lines, sir. Last two lines. Yes, sir. Done.
So here we are done with topic 5. Yeah. Topic 5. That's it. You said that topic 6 is clear to you. There is nothing new for you, right?
Yeah, most of it is done, sir. I'm বলতেছি কতটুকু করছি topic 3.
So you understood everything here.
Yes, sir. টপিক 3 টা বেসিক্যালি আমার সেলফ স্টাডি করা হয়েছে, মানে টপিক 3 বলছি স্যার, টপিক 6।
Work done. You just remember this equation. Work done equals, force into distance moved. There is another relationship here. Work done equals pressure into change in volume.
ইয়েস স্যার, এটা
This this one you should remember. And we have kinetic energy, we know. Potential energy, elastic potential energy, you don't know. What is elastic potential energy?
elastic potential energy is the energy stored in the body, na sir?
No, elastic potential energy is the energy stored in stressed object, like rubber band, spring, right? Those.
Yes sir.
And there is another formula you have to remember. Power equals work done by time, but power equals force
Yes sir.
into velocity. That one you have to remember.
Sir,
Okay.
I know that as well, sir.
Power equals force into velocity, and how it comes, that is also there. Kilowatt hour, this one we know from O level. Okay, so this is all about topic 6. Now topic 9. Topic 9, deformation of solids. This deformation, if the object is changing shape, that is called deformation, right?
Yes sir.
And if you remove the force, if it is coming to previous condition or previous situation, then we say it is elastic deformation. Okay.
Yes sir.
If the force is removed and the object returns to its original position, then it is called elastic deformation. You see here Hooke's law. Hooke's law is F is directly proportional to extension. This one you know in O level. F equals KE. Then strain energy. This is new for you. Strain energy. Strain energy is the
স্যার
energy.
আমার এই চ্যাপ্টারটা একটু ভালো মতো বুঝা লাগবে স্যার, আমি এই চ্যাপ্টারটা পারি না।
Yeah, so you write here uh, topic 9, huh? Topic 9, deformation. Deformation of solids.
Okay sir.
Then you write it. When forces are applied to a solid body, its shape or size may change. The change of shape or size is called deformation.
Yes sir.
Have you written first 2 bullet points?
Yes, sir. দুইটা শেষ, sir.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Now you write the heading Hooke's law, huh?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
You see the graph, huh? You draw this graph after writing Hooke's law, then you draw this graph and label PE.
Okay. আমি পড়তেছি এখানে।
Yeah, so please draw this graph, huh?
Yes, sir.
And
স্যার আর ওই ডায়াগ্রাম ড্র করা লাগবে না স্যার?
yes, draw this diagram. Only this. The helical spring do not need, just only the graph. And then label P is the proportionality limit. Then E is the elastic limit. Beyond E, the deformation is plastic.
স্যার বুঝলাম না ডিফরমেশন ইজ
Yeah,
প্লাস্টিক।
beyond E, the deformation is plastic means before E the deformation is elastic. Elastic means it will return to its original position. But if it is plastic deformation, then it will not return to its original position. Got it?
ওকে স্যার। ইয়েস স্যার।
When it is returning to its original position, if you remove the force, that is called elastic deformation. If it is not, then that is called plastic deformation. Clear?
ইয়েস স্যার। ইয়েস।
Done?
ইয়েস স্যার ডান।
Now Hooke's law, you know that one. Hooke's law is showing us extension is directly proportional to the load or force, right? Or weight, you can say. So you write the statement Hooke's law, then you write this numerical formula, huh? Till here, right? Have you written? Yeah.
Last line, sir. Last line.
Here they wrote tension. The extension of a body is proportional to the applied load. Okay. F is directly proportional to extension. Applied force.
Yes. Yes, sir. Done.
So here K is spring constant, right?
Yes, sir.
Now strain energy. This one you give the heading strain energy.
Yes, sir.
And here is definition of strain energy. Strain energy is energy stored in a body due to change of shape.
Sir, I will be right back in a minute, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir, I have returned, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, আমার মনে হয় বের হতে হবে। Yeah,
Sorry?
20 minutes পরে।
Sorry?
Sir, I guess I will go out after 20 minutes.
You'll go out now
After 20 minutes, sir.
after 20 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. In
At
about 20 minutes, sir.
yeah,
We can, yes, sir. We can finish our class within 10 minutes, sir. আর উপর দিয়ে স্যার আজানও দিয়ে দিয়েছে আর আজকে ফারহান নাই।
10 minutes more you can do class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Then you finish writing this definition, elastic potential energy.
স্যার এই যে ইয়ার মধ্যে অ্যাপ্রোস্ট্রফি এর ভিতরে যেটা দেওয়া আছে
You write this formula, huh? Work done by the spring equals average force into extension, huh? Average force is half F multiplied E. So work done equals half FE. Have you written?
লিখছি স্যার
Then you can write work done equals half KE square, because you know F is KE. So in the graph, sometimes you will get the question in graph. Now how to calculate it from the graph? Area under the graph is giving you load extension graph. In that graph we have area under the graph is work done. Okay, area under the graph is half FE here. So the work done is this part, the shaded part is work done. That is also known as strain energy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then in topic 1 you heard about Young modulus, right? So you write the heading Young modulus, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then you write here, after writing the heading Young modulus, you write this, huh? Stress is directly proportional to strain.
Yes, sir.
Stress is directly proportional to strain. Then stress equals E multiplied strain. E equals stress by strain. So E is the Young modulus here. Then how to get this stress? Stress is nothing but the pressure, that is F by A, and strain means ratio of extension divided by original length. We say LO, that means original length.
স্যার নিচে যে ই আছে স্যার ওটা কি স্যার? এফ এ
Extension,
বাই ই
extension.
এল ও।
This
ও
is
আচ্ছা।
extension. Extension divided by original length.
Yes sir, done.
So here is one experiment to get the Young modulus using the graph. This is a nice experiment. We did also this experiment in our intermediate, that is A level. We did this experiment. So there we get gradient. Gradient. We have F E graphs. We are giving the force extension graph. So FE graphs, the ratio of F and E, that is gradient. If we apply here, then L naught we know original length of the wire, is the cross sectional area of the wire we know. Using the micrometer screw gauge we measure the cross sectional area. Then we can find the Young modulus of the wire. Anywhere we can find the Young modulus. Okay. And here is the list of some materials Young modulus. Just remember it. Sometimes in estimation, you can remember in topic 1 estimation, for copper wire, the uh, you know the Young modulus came. What is the value of Young modulus for copper wire? It came. So this one you have to know, this list. So you can write it or you can check it later. Okay, no problem.
Yes sir, I will check it later sir. I am in a hurry though sir.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining to
Yes sir, sorry
today's
sir for leaving
class.
early.